Who's excited for the 20s? Hi guys, welcome back to Hampton, your house. And if you're watching this right at the end of 2019, Merry Christmas and I hope you had a great day. My name is Belle and my channel is all about bringing the coastal Hamptons vibe to your house with DIYs, tips and tricks. So if you're interested, please subscribe below. I would love to have you back. Now, I've never been very good at using diaries and planners, but this year I thought I'd give it a go. And I found this great one at the Reject Shop which has 1 page per day. So it makes it easy to make to-do lists in and write your goals in, etc. And also add in all your appointments and important dates. Today I'll be showing you how to customize this budget-friendly diary planner to truly make it your own, which will hopefully help to inspire you to use it more in 2020. There'll be a bonus tip at the end of this video too, so make sure you watch all the way to the end. If you love the idea of beautiful, detailed, personalized planners but you're short on time, give this one a go. First, find some material that you love. I'm going with this Hamptons inspired floral. Choose the part of the design that you want to be on your front cover. Measure 7 centimeters out from each end of the diary. This includes seam allowance and allowance for the spine. Then measure out 3 centimeters on the top and bottom edge and cut out your rectangle. If the spine of your book is 2 centimeters like mine, place the front cover of your book 6 centimeters from the side edge of the material and 3 centimeters up, then draw a little marker so you know where to put it. Then grab your glue gun and make seams on the top and bottom edge of the material, working just a little bit at a time. Cut a small triangle off each corner, then glue the side seams too. Next, get some spray adhesive and spray the first side of your material, then stick down the front cover of your book using the markers you made before and smooth it down well. Carefully make 2 small cuts like this for each end of the spine of your book. Fold over the raw edges near the spine and glue them down to make seams. Fold the top and bottom seams up and cut a triangle off each seam to reduce the bulk when you fold the seams over. Then fold up the top and bottom seams and add some hot glue to stick them down. Fold and glue the side bits of the final flap just to make sure there are no frayed edges, then spray a tiny bit more adhesive, fold down the flap and add hot glue around the edges. Put a little dab of hot glue on the flaps on the spine and tuck them into the spine until they stay in place. To put text on the front, grab a laminator sheet and some letter stickers. I decided to laminate the stickers because I don't want them to peel or fall off halfway through the year. I've opted for my name and the year, but you could do initials or an inspirational quote or anything you like. out your design in a rectangle, leaving plenty of space around the edges, and save the offcuts of the laminator sheet. Glue your design in place by putting glue underneath the letters where it won't be seen, then glue along the top and bottom of the laminated rectangle. Then grab some jute twine, measure from the inside cover seam around both covers in the spine to the inside of the other cover and cut to size. Cut 5 more pieces, then in 2 bunches of 3, glue them down over the top and bottom of your laminated rectangle to cover the raw edge. To make sure the ends are secure, get a piece of ribbon, glue and fold each end under to make a quick seam, then glue the piece of ribbon over the ends of your jute twine. Now grab your leftover laminate sheet and cut out a curvy shape to use as a pocket inside the front cover. Some bias binding and glue it around the edge with half of it hanging over the edge. We're going to fold this over and glue it to the other side. This gives you a better surface for gluing too, and although it's a tiny bit fiddly, it's worth the effort. Put glue along the 2 straight edges and stick it inside your book. I love the clear pocket because it's so easy to see what's inside. Time for our bonus tip. You've probably got some sheets of Avery style address labels lying around somewhere, the kind on A4 printable sheets. Take a photo of the material you used for your planner in good lighting, preferably daylight, then load it onto your computer and use a program like Publisher to make a printable template for your stickers. You can often look up the size of your stickers and there's a template already available. Drop your photo into the template and edit it to increase the brightness and contrast. Then make a white box over the top. This will give you a border that matches the front of your planner and a space to write in the center. Copy and paste the design for a full sheet and add text on the computer if you want to, or leave them blank to write in after. Then print them out, and you now have some awesome stickers that match your planner. Well, I don't know about you, but I keep looking at my new planner and I'm feeling inspired already. I love the pocket to keep random papers or stickers in, and I can't wait to start using this planner. To decorate your planner, try using washi tape, highlighters, and a favorite pen, and of course, our matching printed labels. I hope this DIY diary planner helps inspire you to get 2020 off to a great start. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Subscribe to Hampton Your House and press the notification bell so you know when my next video is up. And most of all, Happy New Year and Happy New Decade. See you very soon in the next one. Bye guys.